Hi everyone! Welcome back to Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook simple and easy pork humba recipe. Pork humba is sweet, sour, and salty, and it is cooked in low heat until the pork fat becomes super soft and resembles a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Let's proceed with the cooking. We will need 700 grams pork belly cut into cubes, 240 ml pineapple juice, 1 large onion, 5 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 3 pieces bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon whole black pepper. First, we need to fry our pork belly. Heat a small amount of oil in a pan. The pork will release its own fat, so a small amount of oil will do. Fry until each side turned brown. Frying the pork gives a nice texture to the meat, and it will help retain its shape during long simmering hours. The next step is to simmer the pork in a pot with the rest of the ingredients. Combine pineapple juice, soy sauce, garlic, onion, bay leaves, sugar, and pepper. Then stir the mixture and add the pork. I noticed that the consistency of the pineapple juice that I use is thicker than normal. I wondered why, so I take a second look on its packaging. It says that this is the Heart Smart version, which contains reducol, a unique blend of plant sterols and stanols that may help lower cholesterol. It's kinda ironic as I'm cooking a fatty pork belly. Anyway, let's continue. Simmer in low heat for 30 minutes or until the pork skin can be pricked without any resistance. Add a bit of water if necessary. Once the pork is tender, pour in the vinegar. Do not stir the mixture. Just cover and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt if needed. The final output must have a thick sauce consistency. And it's done! Pork humba is normally served with rice. The taste of this dish never gets old easily, and it will be the same taste even if you serve this the next day. On your next outing, rather than cooking adobo, try to cook pork humba. It's a good alternative which your family and friends will love. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!